March ni somni pasari sang ni somni parugani hethila hi aden khop maya chanchu Irana Bushehr nuclear power plant hi be ania hethila wang hian in Iran mai ni lo heta kilometer zan hi somli de la Kuwait dram chuanin advisory in chode meya chu radiation leak a hlaom chu wang chuanin in chunga tom ron ti top mai ni apoi don tuk radiation leak om chuan mo radioactive materials te hian in kan DNA mutation an thlen theya pian sual na te aden e me mai ni Japana US na atom bomb an thak po khan piang sual kha an tam pha ani an hulama khan mo chu wang chai hethili a hlaoma hemi chungchang kan reaction ma hianin hei kan en ho lokang
St Anthony's Higher Secondary School chuan kumchang hi somni paruka tanga sang hi somni pasari academic session atan class 9 atanga class 12 arts admission kan hongle ta e kan zirlai te talent ho chuanan co-curricular activities strong school sport field trip picnic excursion teachers day le adang te ro pui taka man pui thinan ni experienced teacher ten pathian thune na no pang zirtirna le an kai hroina skula hian admission rontivero le
St Anthony's Higher Secondary School he phone number te antar lang ani lo sin chi ula admission in lo ti ve theu doni o ole to joining kan react chanang
Kuwait has issued a rare radiation advisory amid growing fears of nuclear contamination. Kuwait's National Guard issued a video message cautioning
Kuwait National Guard lampang te hian in he video hin ron siam dai mai ani Iran nuclear power plant be ania amara chu kilometer zan hi som nga a hla om dei Kuwait lampang chuan in tiang hian in warning an ron siam dai mai ani
residents about radiation exposure a day after Iran's Bushehr power plant was attacked. While stressing that people need not panic, it advised them to remain indoors, avoid unnecessary movement outside, and keep all windows and doors sealed.
Apui le mai Iran Bushehr nuclear power plant be ania ti chuanin Kuwait lampang hian in advisory ti chuak an ti to kha chu ta chuanin lo thon lu tuk tur chu ani lowa amai ro chu in film khur hle tur ani pona chuak ri lo ula in chunga omula in tuk verte in kongka te khang zong zong kha apui thei ang berin khar vek ro tin Kuwait lampang hian hetiang hian in warning an chuani soi to ang khan hei hi enge poi mon ang ti chuanin Iran te ya Bushehr nuclear power plant be ani kilometer zani somnga hla om Kuwait in hetiang hian in warning an pek chuanin Iran ram hemi Bushehr nuclear power plant bulvela om te tan chuanin avahla om le zual don em he thila hi chu oh where is it anilo hey nilo yes
in case of any radiation leaks. Now, why is this particularly significant? The Bushehr nuclear power plant is Iran's first and only operational nuclear power facility. Reportedly, it is located nearly 240 kilometers away from Kuwait.
Heta hianin Bushehr nuclear power plant omani Iran tamo. So nin radiation leak a hlawma wang hen Kuwait lampang hianin warning an chhuah dei mai ani. Oh, helai bulvela omtan awahan din le zual do nem,
making it the closest nuclear reactor near the country. However, Kuwait's National Guard stressing that most radioactive material would fade away before reaching Kuwait's borders if there is a leak from the Bushehr plant. And on Tuesday, a projectile hit the premises of the Bushehr nuclear power plant. Remember, Russia, which operates the facility, claimed
Russia, which operates the facility, hey, chu Russia in enkawl ti namo Iran nuclear power plant pakhathi
that the plant's pumping station came under attack while around 300 staff members remained on the site. At least 163 others have been evacuated to Russia, reportedly.
Russia power plant ani Iran hemi Bushehr nuclear power plant hi Russia ta ani Russia enkawl ani mi za somruk vel Russia lama hroi hon ni to mi za thum vel tu na hen la omanga ngai ania awm zia chu Israel na hetianga Russia thil abe hian ema US le Israel ten tianga Iran na Russia thil an be hian Russia te po hian engmani statement chu nei ve om an neyanga kan la riek tel lo zok nge hi Russia ngai dan ani lo viau theya ti chuanin Kuwait lampang chuanin lika om palpon boruaka atam tak chu athamra langa amaro chu pal kha om ve the chu wan chuanin Iran lampang khan film khura ti chuanin Russia lampang chuanin pumping facility kha be ania ka fu pal ania ting zong khanin an ron soi ani he hi Russia ta Iran a om US le Israel te na an be ania karin ain Russia lampang hian thoman ron nei lo karin ain thoman nei lo entinan Kuwait a hian in Israel e US ten engomoni thil nei ta se chu Iran hian beita se apui vi hewangan reaction chu amak angreng khop mai.
The pumping station is not just any facility. It is a critical safety element of the nuclear power plant. Water supply is a key safety factor for any energy facility, especially a nuclear one. This is a signal that the red lines are shifting and that real safety risks are now emerging.
Pumping facility kha poimo khop maya tui pam na ani kharinga he paron soidan phang chuan nuclear reactor tan chuan in tui hi apoimo me mani ka hria thiam ve dana chuanin ka hria dan hi diklo mai theya ka hria diklo ani chuanin comment a hanin adik tak kharon soi mai ula nuclear reactor tan hi chuanin tui hi hei thil salu tuk tur khami ti dai char na khan apoimo hle ani ka hria thiam dana chuan mo chuwan chuanin khami pumping facility a chiat kha chuanin poidon lutuk ani.
Now, this is not the first such occasion that the attack has taken place there. On the 17th of March, the International Atomic Energy Agency confirmed that a structure located 350 meters from the Bushehr plant was hit and destroyed.
March ni som pasariti mi hatunahan. Kata po kanin hemi Bushehr nuclear plant buloka hianin engmoni an lo ka chiat sakto ani Iran hian in nuclear da that na hmun nei ang chi te po kha Natanz ti vel mi kha ming kha thein hil ta dei mai kan riang ngon te reng nen hang ten te po kha be ani photo a maro chu lig vel la omlo tin IAEA lampang kha chuanin an soyanin tuna bi khianin IAEA lampang hin la ron tong chuak lo nin ngai ani ya.
And in the initial days of the war, 2 buildings close to the Isfahan nuclear site were damaged in Israeli-US strikes. The entrance of the underground Natanz.
Hetianga Natanz Isfahan tiang chi vel ho kamo hetianga an indo po hianin Iran te US te Israel te an zawai hian thil poimo lutuk mihring le khovel nun zel na ata na hla om lutuk ang boxi hi chu hengte hi chu in beitel saklo mai turania achan chu khatianga thil a ompal kha chuanin an mani ram chau ni lo ram then om zong te po han an tuar pal vek theya chu wan zoni hatiang thil kha chu amaro chu chaklo an hlau lutuk na lama hetiang te po henin thil te po an ti ve theya tuna ka hria thiam dana phei hi chuanin Iran hi an che thazok lek angina ngai thei ri ani tuna phei chuan mo chu wan chuanin US te Israel te hi an chaklo hi an hlau don lutuka chu wan chuan an ti thei ang ha chu ti khan tum ve dona ke ni lo chhoi phak chu ni chu lo maro chu aden azialo khop mai.
Fuel enrichment plant also suffered damage. The situation escalated on the 21st of March when Iran accused the US and Israel of launching an attack on the Natanz facility. While no radioactive leaks occurred, retaliation.
March ni somni pakhata po khanin US le Israel te chuan in Natanz nuclear facility khan no be to a.
Reaction followed.
And
on the very same day,
Iran pon phubala kha.
Iranian missiles managed to breach Israel's air defense systems.
Khaminia khanin Iran khanin Israel kha kap fu ve nga la ni hi han en taula heng mi te hi an van nei an yo han en ro he missile hi helai hianin missile hen helai hi zukka pani ti sonin abulvel building hi achiat na sadje hi hliam an tam khop mai ani abulvel building ami hi mo abulvel om building hliam an tamani he missile hianin khoimoni building ber hi futa se chu thi an tam ngotang amaro chu heta hian a open area tu ma omlo na la ya khanin kalai ha kap futa an van nei khop mai.
The Iranian missiles managed to breach Israel's air defense systems and struck Dimona, which is believed to host a nuclear facility, reportedly. At least 64 people were injured in this attack. The seriousness of the situation is also resonating globally. Earlier this week itself, the WHO chief flagged an escalating threat to public health and environmental safety.
WHO chief takngiel po in nuclear site, nuclear althuam da na te nuclear power plant te hete hi anh in bệ tôn sắc anh in chuan in mi tam tak ta na hlom don em ni tin ron soi chuak tong heng heng ani WHO tang hi chuan in United States anin nuk dok to ani official takin Trump ngai da ni lova chu van chuan in anin nuk dok dai mai ani WHO tang hian heting hian in WHO chief te tak ngel pon comment an ron nei to ani hetil hei chu a serious ani min an soivak lowanga ma ro chu a serious khop mai nuclear ral thuam hanin be sak hi chu mo Iran po hian in Israel te Kuwait ami te mundang ami te Israel ami te beilo se Israel e US te po hian in Iran a nuclear facilities te chu baby lo se tu na hian in mi tam tak ngai dana chuan in Iran hian in nuclear ral thuam anei lova an ram hruai tu Israel le US ina an tha saktak Khamenei hnoi khanin nei tumna om chi lawa ma ro chu an du chuan an nei thei ve thawani khami kha nei an tum lem lo na chung khan Israel Prime Minister Berakhanin Netanyahu Berakhanin an nei don an nei trap to khatia zo khanin kum tam tak chung kha video motor te po om khamo kum tam tak chung kha asoi ti chuanin nei tum lo na khatia ngan han be sak kha chu Iran tan po khanin angi yom ve viau theya chuwan chuanin Iran pon khatiang khanin new Israel lampang nuclear facility omna mun khwa angji te po kha missile te hang kap ve ni kha he thila hi chu aden viau thei ani ati zong kha tu trumata na han react thei chu ni se video lai mole theu do ne